advanced barcoding solution for underground asset lifecycle tracking was the result of cooperation between the U.S. company, Gas Technology Institute, GTI, and its Israeli partner, Nortec. Together, the companies created a cross-platform for utility companies which automates the process of gas pipes installation, enabling them to easily collect various types of data in the field, test, and finalize installation in real time. The developed technology uses barcode scanning and high-accuracy GPS to automate the process of capturing data to eliminate manual data entry. Crucial installation data attributes are printed on durable barcode labels that have a 50-year lifespan in underground conditions. The technology automates the installation process of plastic gas pipelines underground, enabling utilities to inspect the process on the spot from any mobile system and meet regulatory compliance.